Hello again, my friends. Welcome back. I'm so happy to see you. We had an excellent class meeting today, and we actually used information in the class meeting that we're going to use in a second to do our math lesson today. So first, I figured we would sing the money song, talk about some of those money facts, just like we would have done at school, check the weather, and then we'll get started with our work for today. So here we go. Get out your one. Here we go. A penny is 1 cent. A nickel is 5. Oops, almost forgot to change my hand. A dime is 10. And a quarter 25. That's money. Money, money, money. That's money. Sing it again. A penny is 1 cent. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10. And a quarter 25. That's money. Money, money, money. That's money. Money. All right, if we were at school, we would discuss these money facts. They should be getting stuck in your brain. So we know a penny is 1 cent. It's only worth 1. And repeat the facts after me. Abraham Lincoln. You say it, Abraham Lincoln. He's one of our old presidents. And then on this one, we have the sign that shows the 1 cent, that it's only worth 1 cent. So there's our penny. Penny is 1 cent. A nickel is 5. So a nickel is worth 5 cents. This is Thomas Jefferson. You say it, Thomas Jefferson. And the Monticello. You say it, the Monticello. So a nickel is worth 5. If I had 5 pennies, it would equal 1 nickel. Okay, a penny is 1 cent. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10. So I would put it like this if this were a real coin. So we have on the front our torch, the oak branch, and the olive branch. So let's repeat those facts. Torch, oak branch, olive branch. And then on the back is that fancy president's name, Franklin D. Roosevelt. You say it, Franklin D. Roosevelt. Okay, so we have penny is 1 cent, a nickel is 5, a dime is 10, and a quarter 25. And on the quarter, we have the bald eagle and George Washington. You say it, George Washington. So there are all of our money facts for today. If we were at school, we would do more activities together. But since I can't hear you, we're going to save that for another time. Okay? All right, let's check the weather. So I'm going to open the window. The meteorologist would look out our window at school and say, the weather today, right now, is cloudy. It's supposed to get sunny later, but for right now, it's cloudy. And I did pop my head out the window this morning, and it was pretty cool. So I would definitely need a jacket if I were going outside today. You might get outside today to play. Make sure that you wear a jacket, and don't give your mom or dad a hard time about it, okay? So the weather today is cloudy for now and cool. What season are we in? I'm going to sing the song to remind my brain. 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. So we are still in the season of spring, where sometimes the weather's warm, sometimes it's kind of chilly, but soon enough we'll be moving into that warm and hot weather all the time when we get to summer. Okay, so I told you today during our class meeting, if you missed it, it's not a big deal. We collected data. And when I collect data, I'm trying to get information about something. So the question was, do you like and I put a word in the blank, just like up here. We did a couple practice ones with thumbs up and thumbs down. We said, do you like ice cream? Yes or no? Most friends said yes. Do you like cake? Yes or no? Most friends said yes. Miss Hyder said no. She said she likes ice cream cake, but not regular cake. So we did some practices, and then I asked the question, do you like vegetables? And friends unmuted and they told me, yes, I do. No, I don't. And my friends, if you missed it today, it's not a big deal. We did our best guess of what you thought you liked. So hopefully we collect that data the right way. And then at the end, we can use it to make information, to do a graph, to do all kinds of things, which we will practice later in the week. So my question was, do you like vegetables? And I'm going to write veggies because that's a short way to say vegetables. and I'm going to record our answers. So, starting off, some friends said yes, some friends said no. So I collected this data. Now, if you were at home and you wanted to survey your family, you could make this on a piece of paper. If we were at school, you would have that paper, and I would hold it and go around and ask. I could call people in my family and ask them. Maybe call Grandma. Grandma, do you like veggies? If she says yes, put a tally. If she says no, put it on the no side. So here we go. I'm going to start with Cooper. Cooper said, yes, he likes veggies. So I'm going to do a tally. Camden O said, yes, he likes veggies. Adrian said, no. Now at school, this would take a little bit longer because you'd be asking each person. Cameron and Camden S said, no, they don't like veggies. Breaking my heart. Miss Hyder said, yes, she likes veggies. Elijah said, yes, he likes veggies. Lucas said, no. So right now, if I were at school, I would stop and see. I'm equal right now. It's the same on both sides. Now, for the next one, what do I do to show 5? We practice this a lot at school, especially with table points. I do a straight line across. So, Jamari said, yes, he liked veggies. And Mila said, yes, she liked veggies. Amanda said, no. Priscilla said, no. Santiago said, no. Wyatt said, no. Look at all these no's. So I'm going to go back and check. So far, 5, one more is 6 have said yes, and 5, 6, 7, 8 have said no. Okay, let's do our friends that weren't there. We guessed that Richie does not like veggies, but Jayla does like veggies. We said Evie would say yes. We said Fatia would say yes. Oh, I'm getting more yeses now. We said Cayenne would say no. We said Carlos would say yes. We said that Trindon would say yes. We said that Skyly would say yes. Adrian helped us out with that one, Skyly. We thought you would like it. We said Aiden would say yes. And we thought Harper would say yes. I think I got everybody. Let me double check that I didn't miss. I didn't do me. Do I like veggies? Yes, indeedy, I do. Okay, so now I can count to find out how many friends in our class like veggies and how many friends do not like veggies. Now I can count this by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Or I can count them one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you know what friend I forgot to record was Andy. I'm going to take a guess and say no, he does not like veggies. So let's do this one. 5, 10, 11. Or I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, which one has more? Do we have more yeses, I like veggies, or more no's, I do not like veggies? We have more yeses. So more friends in our class like veggies than friends that do not like veggies. Now, could I take this information and put it on a graph? I totally could to look at it and see we have more friends that said yes than friends that said no. You could do this with any topic up here. Do you like TV? Do you like taking pictures? Do you like pigs? Do you like cats? We practiced this at school before, but only for a little teeny tiny bit of time. So make your own survey today. It's so easy to make. I could do it on my piece of paper. I'm almost out of pages. We've been learning so much. I would write, do you like, and choose a topic. And then go around and ask people, yes, Or no, call somebody on the phone. Pop, I'm doing a survey. Do you like ice cream? And if he says yes, mark yes. And if he says no, mark no. And then count it up. This is a fun activity that you could do with any topic you want it to be. Okay? You could ask me if I like it or not. It's your choice. So, taking surveys is a way to collect information. It's a way for me to find out more about a class or about a family, or it could be about anything. So if this is something you want to try at home, I want you to go for it. Okay? And that's all I have for math today. We collected this data during our class meeting and we did such a good job that I think it's something, collecting data, that we'll work on doing in the future too, and change it up and do it some different ways. Okay? So that's all I have for math today. I will see you tonight for a bedtime story. Let's make good choices, make kind choices to moms and dads or brothers and sisters, and I will see you tonight. Mwah.